Humpty, what a silly sight. Humpty Dumpty, where'd you go? Rolling fast, oh no, round and round, down the hill. Catch him quick, he's rolling still. He tumbled through a patch of green, bouncing like a jelly bean. The cows all mooed, the chickens clucked, even the sheep said, "What bad luck!" Humpty laughed, "What a ride! Round the world I'll slip and slide."